He's an old white lady.
Do you have your trauma bag?
There is still someone with a gun.
She's inside.
Okay.
Where?
Bro.
Where?
Ex-military. She's in the house, bro. That apartment. Right here. This first apartment. I need like a 49 We got a pole!
I'm in front. Sheriff's office, come outside with your hands up! This is the Marion County Sheriff's Office, come outside with your hands up! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Turn around! Turn around! Where's your gun at? I don't know what's going on, you're going to be detained for now.
Is there anybody else in the house?
There's somebody else in the house. Can I just get my photos?
No, not right now.
Alright.
You're not under arrest, you're being detained.
Okay, I understand.
Come over here.
Wait, can you close the door? I have two cats inside.
Hold
I
on.
don't want the cats to run out.
Hey, med bag. Get my med bag. Start giving first aid. Come this way. No, come on.
I want him to lock my house.
Okay, we will worry about that in a minute. Right now, I got other things to worry about.
Okay.
Go assess the person down. Okay,
Okay,
you're just sitting there.
Okay.
Hey, I need someone give her aid right there. She needs medical aid over there. Sit inside. I need you all the way inside.
Okay. I need help though.
Okay.
I have a bad back.
I need you to hurry though, okay? I understand you need help.
I got it.
Where's she shot at?
Right here in her arm. Right here.
Chest. Right side of chest.
Okay.
There's no exit.
Just keep, if she needs CPR, keep doing CPR. I don't see a lot of blood here.
Yeah, I don't see the blood either. It's probably like a 22
right now. I got her
or
baby. I got her. Get my phone. Randy, get my phone.
If you need any medical stuff, here's my medical bag.
That's the mother right there. That's her mother right there.
This is one of our kids.
Keep the light over here.
What's going on?
I'm her neighbor. I called 911. Is
Okay.
that Susan?
I don't know. Can we go over here for a minute? I gotta deal with all this right now. If you need to switch out, let somebody know. Hey, who all was out here when it happened? Hey.
I left my iPad over there because we were playing games. I went to get it. I said, give me my iPad to her. She threw the...
All right, bud, come over here for a second.
Ajike fire.
If y'all were here when it happened, just stand right here so I know who was out here when it happened, okay?
I left my iPad over there because we were playing games. And I went to go get it. I said, give me my iPad because she had it. She dropped it, tried to throw the skates at me. And then I got my brother. He said, come hit me with the skates. And then,
All right, bud. Put us in the bedroom. When I put her in the car.
Marion County Sheriff's Office, if you're inside, make it known now!
Do any of y'all have crime scene tape?
Yeah, I do. I got it.
We'll see it. Put it right here.
Hey, there's a little boy by my car. He's the one that was the primary witness.
Okay. Show me which one you were referring to.
I told him to hang out by my car.
Where's my phone? She should have been in jail. She should have. Hey, get your ass in the house now.
Did you see him?
I didn't see him. She's gonna be in there in a minute. Will you put her handcuffs in front?
Yeah. Here, step out for me real quick. All right, I'm gonna move your handcuffs to the front. All right.
Please lock my house.
We were gonna secure your house.
Okay.
All right, let me see your.
right.
Lay it together like you're praying.
Okay. All right. In my pocket is my keys for the house.
We'll grab those in a second. All right.
Yeah, because there's too much stuff in my. I don't want anybody to grab the gun.
No one is gonna go inside. All right.
Okay. All right. Actually, I don't know where my keys are. Shit.
All right, that's fine. We'll figure it out. All right.
I was outside. Okay. I can tell you what I heard. Shit. Okay. The kids were playing outside earlier, right? In his yard. And yes, ma'am. And one of the little kids, he left his iPad on the ground. And I guess the old white lady that shot the lady, she grabbed his iPad and she threw a roller skate at him. She came out with the umbrella too and was trying to swing at him or some shit like that. Okay. And then
is that what you heard or is that what you saw?
That's what I heard.
Okay, well, let's just focus on what you saw.
And the only thing I heard was her knocking on the door, pretty loud, right?
Who was knocking on the door?
The lady that got shot, right?
She was knocking on the other lady's door.
Yeah, like to see what went between the two kids, you know, like
Wait,
between her and the
kids.
Did you
see anything, or
you gotta talk to the kids? You gotta talk to the kids. You gotta talk to the little kid and the older one.
Okay.
But all I heard was knocking and then a gunshot. That's it. There were no fighting, none of that.
But you didn't actually see anything?
No, sir.
No? Okay. All right. Thanks, my man. Stay around in the area. If we need you, we'll let you know, all right? I appreciate it.
I mean, it's just my kid. He went into the house.
Okay.
He was all panicking and scared. I'm like, whoa, what happened?
Yeah.
You know, I see him all, so, no, what? He was having a hard time explaining.
Yeah.
I'm like, what happened? I mean, I heard before that, I heard something, like a 22.
Yeah.
That went off. And I'm like, I mean, obviously, I know when I hear it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then, I mean, when he said that, I put 1 and 2 together. I'm like, whoa, let me see. So I'm walking out. I see everyone going crazy. The kids crying over there.
Started to say, get everybody's information. Do not do interviews.
Okay.
Major crimes going to do the interviews. Okay. So just gather information.
And I'm just letting you guys know. This neighborhood here is hot. It's always hot. You know, there's a lot of things going on.
I come through here as much as I can.
But the reason why I'm saying it is she's not safe coming back.
I get what you're saying. I
don't give a shit about her. You know what I mean? But
I got you, my man.
yeah.
All right, if we need anything, we'll come knock, all right?
Where's her son at? Where did he go?
They're in the house. They're in the house.
Do we got his information?
I've got one. I got to get the other one.
No, the one that the 35 victim, her son.
Yeah, there's two.
Okay.
I knew it. I said it. I said
There was one that actually was out there when it happened. They were both out there? Okay. Yeah, we need to get both of them. How you doing, bud?
They came running down the aisle saying my mom.
Well, I was already on my way over here, I guess, for something else.
No, it's probably her calling.
Yeah, somebody called. I was already on. I was right around the corner when this call came in.
They were banging on my door asking, call the cops.
Hey, where's Isaac? It's all right.
Hey, we got our crisis intervention team coming out to talk to the kids.
Okay.
Where's Isaac?
They're like our therapy people.
Right.
So anybody that might have witnessed it, including her kids.
Me?
No, Lennon. Everyone all the kids that seen it.
We're sorry, we have to deliver this message to y'all.
Did y'all arrest the lady?
She is arrested, yes, sir.
I'm sorry, Mama. Oh my goodness. Don't tell him.
We'll do all that together. I just wanted you guys to know and process it first.
I'll tell him.
I'll tell him.
Try to get your breath. Okay. I'm gonna tell you.
They don't know how to act. But it's alright for you to cry, it's alright for them to cry, that's all.
I'm gonna try not to.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying that it is okay. So you can cry, it's not gonna break them because they're gonna be upset. That's just a normal natural experience.
How are you gonna tell that lady her mom?
I don't know.
We'll just take one step at a time. You guys are all first, and then we'll.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, why don't you just stay and relax, and then once you have the strength,
I'm gonna bring him on the side.
Oh, no.
You want me to bring him on the side?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm trying.
you can probably do it right there.
I'm trying.
Right.
Oh my God. I'm just thinking about it.
Yeah, the kid out with him too. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna just have to tell him.
No, there's.
I don't know what to do to tell him.
But y'all know what to do.
Do you want me to tell them?
No, let me.
Okay, yes.
Let them be.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, baby.
Today has been a very bad day. There's something bad that's happened. And y'all seen it. Y'all understand it. Y'all experienced it, right? Okay. Y'all love me? Okay. Y'all love Mom? All right. Well, I got some bad news to tell you. Mom is not coming back anymore. Come. Come. No. Come here. Come over here. Listen to me. No, I know. Okay. It's okay. I know. It's okay. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All am sorry. I'm so sorry.
You can't go.
No, she's gone. It's alright. You guys are gonna be okay. It's alright.
I need my mom's phone.
You know? You what?
My mom's phone.
Where's your mom's phone?
Oh God. Oh God. It's okay. It's okay.
Stick a wallet. It's gonna get
Father God, in the name of Jesus. Touch your heart right now, God. Touch her, God. Give her strength.
I hate her.
Oh,
She's bothering her. She's in jail for good.
You okay, baby?
You need me? You want to go on? I think one of them just said they want to be present. I'm just going to, just a little bit. Okay, that's fine.
you don't need your shoe? Is that
Wait,
your
you
shoe
got
that
your
fell off?
shoe? Get your shoe.
Let you got both of you on? That's fine.
So I understand that she's going through a little something right now, okay? Well, it's not a little something, it's a big something. I understand that, all right? But I just want to tell you, you know the difference between telling the truth and telling the story, right? So anything anybody asks you right now, definitely tell me the truth. Don't make up stuff, don't assume anything, just tell me, okay? And then if you don't want to answer it, guess what? It's okay, say it's free, I don't want to answer that, okay? If you're uncomfortable, say I'm uncomfortable. I'm okay with it. So I'm just trying to get an idea myself as to what happened. So I'll know how to do what I need to do. Okay?
So, me and my friends, we was in this field right here.
The open field right there?
Yes.
Okay. So wait a minute. So he left his tablet in the field and y'all went back to get it?
Yeah, so, like, everybody was just going this way, that way. I was right there at the basketball court playing with my friends.
Uh-huh.
The rest of the kids, I guess they just went over there somewhere.
Uh-huh.
And then he just went back for his tablet.
Your brother did?
Yes.
Okay, brother on that left tablet and went back for it. Okay.